Hey everyone! Today we're working on a troubleshooting task in the Stratos data center. The monitoring system shows that the Apache service is down on several Nautilus application servers. We need to identify the faulty servers, fix the configuration issues, and ensure they are all listening on port 6200. We'll SSH into App Server 1 using the Tony user. Once connected, we'll switch to the root user with sudo -i to get the permissions we need. Check the status using systemctl status httpd. As expected, it's inactive. Let's try to start it with systemctl enable -- now httpd. It failed. To find out why, we use journalctl -zoo httpd.service. This log is a lifesaver. It points us directly to a syntax error in the config file. We'll open /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf with vi, find the typo, and fix it. Once saved, we run the enable command again. Success! Server 1 is back online. Now for App Server 2 with Steve. After switching to root, we try to start the service. Big surprise, another error. Checking the logs here reveals 2 more configuration errors. We need to correct the port to listen 6200 and fix a typo in the DocumentRoot path by removing a stray semicolon. After these quick edits, the service starts perfectly. We need to verify. We'll see URL with application servers, IP on port 6200. We're getting the static pages back for all of them, which means we're good to go. Finally, we head to App Server 3 as the banner user. After switching to root, we check the status. This one is easy. There were no configuration errors here. The service was just stopped. A simple enable --now command brings it back online immediately. Don't forget to check C URL with app server IP. The task is complete. We successfully troubleshot the logs, fixed the config files, and restored the services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 2 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.